Hi guys, and welcome to the channel, Keto Cooking with Ron, and I'm Ron. Well, today we're going to be making gluten-free tuna patties. We never tried those before, so it should be pretty interesting. But before we do that, we'll take a look at this. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Keto Cooking with Ron, and I'm Ron. Today we're going to be making tuna keto patties. Now, I've been trying to research some recipes for this particular recipe, and I hadn't found too many other than a few. And I found some that weren't keto, but we're going to swap out some ingredients to make them keto friendly. And what you'll need for this is 2 cans of tuna fish, and it doesn't matter what kind you use. I get the kind that had the water in it. And then you're going to drain out the juice, and then you're going to put the cans in the bowl. And we'll use 1 cup of pork rinds, 1 cup of shredded cheese, and then you use garlic powder, onion powder, 2 eggs to bind. It's pretty much that simple. And then and then 1 cup of pork rind. And I'll have the ingredients and amounts over the timeline and the directions. And then what we'll do at that point is we'll mix everything all up together, and and salt and pepper, of course, to taste. And we'll mix everything up all together, and we'll form little patties onto a silicone placemat that I have that'll go in the oven at 350 for about 15-20 minutes. Now you can use the air fryer or you can broil them depending on your preference. But we never tried these before, and I wanted to always try them, and I'll probably eat mine. I'm going to make a shuffle or shuffle. And we'll make a couple of them for a bite-sized sandwich, and we'll put probably a tomato slice on them. And I forgot to tell you that also in the ingredients is we'll be using mayonnaise, like probably 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And mayonnaise is of your choice. We're going to use, today our choice of mayonnaise is going to be Hellmann's mayonnaise, because that's all I have. Now, I have made mayonnaise in the past. It's very simple to make mayo. But so what we're going to do at this point, we're going to flip the video down, and we're going to get everything together. The ingredients is everything we need in the back room, and then when it comes time to bake them, we'll throw them in the oven, and I'll pop them out of the oven, and I'll give you my take. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and remember, caring is sharing. And so why don't we just go right to it and get the ingredients out and come back to the back room, assemble everything all together. At this point, I'll put the camera down on the table so you can see what's going on, and then we'll go back in the kitchen and we'll finish it up. Okay, well, welcome back to the back room, Keto Cooking with Ron. So today we made the tuna patties, the cheesy tuna patties using pork rind, 2 eggs, garlic powder, onion powder, and I had the ingredients over the timeline, but this is how they came out. I baked them off in the oven for 20 minutes, and they, you know, you got the orange from the cheese and a little bit of onion powder, garlic powder. Everything was all to taste. I put a couple of eggs to bind it with some pork rind, and they were gluten-free pork rind. So at this point, we're going to assemble our sandwich. The patties, put it on the there. And we'll take the other shaft, kind of like that. Let's raise up the camera. So what we have going on here is we made a couple of shaffles in the shaffle mini dash using 2 eggs and a little bit of milk, and then we whisked everything together, and then we used 2 slices of provolone cheese, and then we made 4 little mini dash sandwiches, and the our sandwich over here, which is be our tuna sandwich that we got going on here. And then we'll take 1 slice of tomato, just like that, and then we'll cover that up with the, and then let me take a photograph of this first. This is kind of like Guy Fieri's when he does drivers, dines and drives, where he takes 2 hands and he tucks his elbow in and goes like one of these numbers. And I'll give you my taste. I never had this before like this. Really, really good. I'm not sure the calories or the carbs that are in here, but I'm sure they're not that much.